Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Today, I'm featuring and talking to one of our amazing virtual assistants here in our company, Remote Philippines Shop. And today, we'll be hearing real story, honest conversation about what working from home actually looks like here. And no script, no pressure, just real experiences, struggles, and behind the scenes moments. If you're curious about a VA life or remote work life with us here at Remote Philippines Jobs or RPJ, this is for you. So let's welcome Miss Michaela Blessing Los Santos. Hi, Michaela.
Hello. Hello, Miss
How's your day
Morgan.
so far?
It's good. I just woke up about an hour ago since my shift is in graveyard shift.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay. So, by the way, before we start, Michaela, can you please introduce yourself to our viewers first?
Okay, so hello, I'm Micaela Blessing Dos Santos. I am an undergraduate, fourth year undergraduate, and I already work for 1 month in RPJ. So I work as data entry visual assistant.
Ayun. By the way, congratulations for being part of RPJ. Okay, you're still a student right now, correct?
Uh, kind of because my only subject is only one, so
Ah,
my
okay.
schedule is not that busy.
Okay, I see. So, maganda rin talagang opportunity na humanap ng work while
Yes po,
having.
talaga super. And then ang parang downside ko lang din on finding work is yung syempre I'm considered pa rin as undergraduate so hindi pa rin talaga ako graduate. And then wala rin akong any experience pa.
I see. So this is your first time, like literally first time working, or just well, like this is your experience or your first experience working remotely.
Yes, this is my first time. So yung isa ko pa kasing experience is my internship. So it's not a remote job or online job. So yun. This is my first
So
time.
it will be a great inspiration then to anyone or any students na who want to apply or to have a work para lang magkaroon ng income. So it will be a great
Yeah.
inspiration or a great example na kaya talaga. Meron talaga mga company na or nakakaya talaga kahit walang experience, right? And that's RPG, one of the example. Okay, so thank you so much, Michaela. To start, this is just just be casual. You don't have to worry. And my first question to you would be, since you're here 1 month na, no, if you could describe your journey here so far, that would really inspire someone. What would it be?
I can say that starting with RPJ is something na nakakapag-change talaga sa akin. Kahit 1 month pa lang ako, parang na-practice ko na on how to manage my time, na-practice ko na rin on how I can work with people. So, tapos napaka non-toxic pa nung environment. So, ang light niya, ganon. Tapos, nag-earn ka pa. So, parang nag-enjoy ka na while earning. Kaya talagang yung 1 month ko, I can say na sobrang okay na okay talaga.
Masasabi mo bang worth it na yung 1 month? Or worth it
So,
na working here?
yes, super. Kasi naghahanap din talaga ako ng job parang for ilang months na. And then, syempre na-understand ko naman na hindi pa ako graduate and then no experience. Then, nung nahanap ko yung RPJ, talagang super thankful ako.
Ayun. So again, congratulations for being part of
Thank you
RTJ.
so much.
And dito, here in the company kasi, hindi talaga naghahanap ng, or hindi strictly required yung VA role, I mean VA experience, but having one is an advantage, no? Pero, tumatanggap talaga dito ng newbies kasi we believe also that, yung experience mo with university is transferable naman with VA industry. Talagang meron naman training na pinoprovide, so hindi talaga siya problema in terms of
Yeah.
dito. So, yeah, thank you so much for that one, Megala. And now, before joining, I know you've struggled a lot finding a client, no? Or finding a company who will accept you as a newbie. What was your biggest struggle and your biggest goal in life?
So, my biggest struggle is that, first, I'm a civil engineering student. So, parang medyo mabigat siya yung load niya since may board exam pa after, ganyan. So, ang biggest struggle ko is that finding a work that I can still manage to study. So, yun talaga yun. Kasi as for me, I'm an irregular student. So, for me, parang, syempre, uso ngayon yung parang may timeline ka na sinusunod, ganyan. Yung parang, ipa-pressure ka na, you have to be ganyan, you have to be ganyan. So, kaya ako naghanap din ng work kasi parang, I'm trying to catch up. Ganyan. So, parang ang biggest struggle ko talaga is to find work while I'm studying nung civil engineering na medyo mabigat. So, my goal din talaga in life is, syempre, maging civil engineer and then, syempre, makahanap ako ng job na yung parang, mahal ako and minamahal na and mahal ko. So, I found it in RPJ talaga na parang alagang-alaga ka doon, ganyan. Tapos, parang super considerate eh. Super maiintindihan ka nila, super yung work mo, iba-value nila.
I agree with that. Kasi if ever na meron kang schedule, or hindi talaga maapektuhan yung pag-aaral mo. Di ba? Kasi
Yes.
if you say na, I have schedule with this with my school, talagang nag-a-adjust yung RPJ. As long as kaya mo na talagang gawin yung work mo, like fully, as long as, yun lang, they will support. Magandang, na ito, pagdagdag sa resume mo. In the future, I know, malayo siya with your course, but then it's okay na din to have like an experience, di ba? Something like this. So, again, congratulations and kahit irregular, kaya yan. Diba? As
Yes,
long as
kaya
graduate,
talaga.
kaya yan. As long as meron
Kaya,
kang
kaya.
vision and kung
Mhm.
gugustuhin mo talaga. Diba? So soon, hopefully, andito ka pa rin sa RPJ when you graduate and you become a civil engineer
Of
someday.
course, talagang ayoko na bigat bitawan si RPJ. I'm so happy with this job. And then, sabi nga nila, in finding client or company, you just need one you. So, RPJ is the first company to trust me. So, ba't ko naman iiwan si RPJ?
Grabe naman yun. Sobrang bigat nun. Kasi, for us, like, here in admin in our PJ, like, wow, like, the student, parang binavalue niya yung company. Kasi, yun nga, this is the first company na nag-hire sa'yo kahit, yun nga, walang experience or kahit wala ka pang mga skills, gano'n na ano, sa staff mo, parang nabibuild sa staff mo, but RPJ trust you. So, yun.
Yes.
Meron nga ibang nagtatrust sa'yo, bakit ikaw hindi ka mag-trust sa sarili mo? Yun. Kaya mo yan.
Mm.
So, okay. Next we
Thank
have
you, Miss
here.
Maria.
Yes. Really, like, rooting for you. I'm really rooting for you, Michaela. So, okay, teacher engineer. Okay. Next question I have here, Michaela, is what made you take the chance to apply to this company? I'm seeing the job post. Ano yung, okay, I need to apply for this. Or meron bang nag-recommend sa'yo? Ganon?
When I saw yung posting, I saw the posting kasi ng RPJ sa online jobs. When I saw the posting, talagang hinahanap ko kasi specifically is data entry. Kasi parang may mga kilala ko na ang first talaga nila is data entry. And then considering that I'm still studying, parang for me is medyo naging connected din siya nung internship ko kasi nag-entry kami. So, when I'm searching, nakita ko sa RPJ na parang yung time niya, you can be flexible, ganon. So, yun din talaga yung first na kinonsider ko and that yung no experience pwede since training provided siya, ganyan, and then will be guided.
Yes. So far, na-achieve naman yun.
Yes, super talaga. Like, wala akong problem sa time, ganyan, nababalance ko lahat.
So, ano yung specific role mo right now here in RPJ?
I'm a data entry virtual assistant.
You're handling social media ba din or wala?
Wala pa po sa ngayon. Full-time ako sa data entry.
Wow. Kaya sobrang, talaga, align talaga yung goal mo.
Yes, align din talaga siya. Talagang parang kahit parang pag inisip mo malayo siya sa engineering, pero in reality medyo may similarity sila since talagang mag-enter ka ng data, magagamit ka ng sheets, Excel, so parang ginagamit din siya in my
So, magandang training ground din talaga to for
Yes.
you, for your course. Okay. Thank you so much for that one, Michaela. Okay, next question I have here. Be honest. Okay?
Mhm.
Be honest. What were your doubts before applying or after joining here after 1 week, like 1 week, ganon? Meron ka bang doubts or that you can share with us?
Yes, meron talaga, malaki. Kasi I had a job before na remote, pero hindi ko siya considered as naging first job ko. Kasi I started with them, tapos napuyat-puyat pa ako, ganyan, kasi strict sila sa time, ganyan. Tapos after working for them for 2 weeks, I think, ganyan, or a month din. Basta matagal din, natapos ko yung training and all, then hindi ako nakakuha ng kahit anong salary. Then wala rin sila, parang wala rin silang contract, ganyan. Hindi rin sila parang nare-reach, hindi rin sila approachable. So, yun yung naging first experience ko na hindi ko siya tinitreat as first job ko. Kasi nga, parang wala din talaga akong nag-gain na anything. So, nag-doubt talaga ako ng na dito sa RPJ.
Yun nga, as long as hindi ka makakasahod, parang doubtful ka talaga, di ba? At sobra naman, alam mo, marami talagang scams when it comes to online jobs or website. Yung mga copy-paste, ganun-ganun, mga data entry, lalo na sa data entry, super dami talagang scams in social media. Mga posting website, mga ganun. Dami talagang scam. So, tayo talaga, kapag tayo din nag-apply, we have to be vigilant din. I thought scam din talaga to. Hanggang, I talk to real people, gano'n, I talk to real people, okay, siguro totoo to. Tapos, I just, hindi ko talaga binigay yung full effort ko from the 2 weeks hanggat hindi ko natanggap yung sahod ko. But so far ngayon, nakatanggap ka na.
Yes, nakatanggap na ako. Actually, ano siya, nung first week ko, parang late na kasi ako nag-start ilang days na lang before yung sahod ng 15. And then yung mali ko pa, instead na mag-send ako agad nung invoice ko, parang dahil graveyard ako, gabi na, so sino pang nakashift noon to arrange my payment. So yung payment ko is nakasama na siya sa cut-off nung 30. So sabi ko, ano kaya, makakasahod ba talaga ako on the 30th? Or, kasi hindi ko nakuha siya on the 15th. Dahil fault ko din naman na ako yung late So, sabi ko, tas yun, nung 30th. But, I trust RPG kasi constant yung reassurance nila sa akin. Talagang may nagre-respond sa akin, may nakakausap ako, may nag-update sa akin on what's the status. Kaya talagang, kinontinue ko na siya. Sabi ko, if I will not continue this, ako rin naman yung magsasuffer dahil ako yung mawawala ng trabaho. Ako yung wala ng sasahurin. And then, yun, talagang buo nila nabigay nung 30th. Then, on time, kasi on time na rin ako nagpasa ng invoice.
Pero grabe yung hindi mo natanggap yung sahod mo. At mabuti naman, merong reassurance. Gano'n. Lalo na yung 30,
Yes,
merong delay. Merong delay yung nung 30. I mean, not. In the 15 pala, merong delay in the 15. Yung sa...
Hindi din ako nun pero meron talagang ano yung PayPal that time. And then ako din, namali din. Ay, parang hindi naman namali. Late ako nag-send ng invoice, so hindi rin siya nasama sa processing since yun.
Pero mabuti naman na nakapag-sahod ka na. Yun naman talaga yung look forward natin. Okay. Thank you so much for that one, Mika. And during your first week or during your first month stay here, ano yung parang surprising sa'yo with the company? Aside from, being like flexible, ganun, ano ba yung mas surprising sa'yo? Yung nasusurprise ka talaga?
No one surprising aside from the flexibility. Siguro yung on how they trust their VAs. Kasi di ba we are the one na nag-i-input mismo ng invoice natin. Then tayo yung parang talagang magkukusa mag-i-in, mag-out, magsisend ng. So parang grabe naman yung trust nito sa atin. No trackers din. So parang syempre ikaw sa sarili mo, ikaw na lang mahihiya if you will not give your full effort kasi grabe na yung considerations and trust na binibigay nila sa iyo eh. So yun siguro
True.
aside from flexibility.
Yeah, I agree. Sobrang shocking din talaga, no? Na parang walang nagma-micromanaging or walang micromanaging here. Yun din talaga. Kasi, in my experience, like halos meron talaga time tracking, ganun, mga ganun. Pero here, yun nga, tayo yung nagsasend ng invoice, tayo yung nag ng time natin. Dapat talaga disiplinado. Kasi walang
Yes.
magbibigay sa'yo kung ano yung, I mean, kung ano yung talagang task na binigay mo, dapat matapos mo siya or yung ganun. At saka kaya mo lang talaga siyang gawin. Ayan, thank you so much for the one, Mika. With the company naman. Paano mo ma-describe yung work environment here?
Oh, describe the work environment. As I said earlier, non-toxic talaga siya. So, parang, kasi ako, mahilig ako yung makipag-communicate with other employees, ganon. Then, parang, lagi akong nag-chat, ganyan, to clarify, to ask something. Ang babait, ang approachable ng lahat. So, even dun sa mga group chats, parang wala kang makikitang you're unwelcome. Parang lahat sila warm yung welcome sa'yo, ganyan. Lahat sila makikipag-cooperate sa'yo, ganyan. Kasi on my experience, di ba sa data entry ako, we're working on a sheets na madaming VAs nung first na punta ko. And then, parang, syempre, dapat hindi magduduplicate yung data entry. So, we need to communicate with each other para to make sure na we're not working on the same pages. So, parang approachable nila lahat talaga. As in, parang they will say to you kung ano yung win-work on nila so that you won't duplicate it, ganyan. Then, ako din naman, syempre, makikipag-coordinate din ako. So, talagang super light ng lahat, lalo na ng mga co-workmates. So, di mo mapifeel na mapipressure ka or di mo mapifeel na you're left out, ganun. Feel mo talagang
Oo,
belong
ganun.
ka.
Wow, I'm so happy na ganun yung experience mo. Kasi in here talaga, kahit sino i-approach mo, as in, yung tanong mo, pero hindi ka talaga nakikil na parang nalileft out ka. Siguro it's because of our bosses also. Kasi sila Philip at si Matt,
Mhm.
kahit isang chat mo lang, nag-reply agad. So parang nai-inherit natin ng mga VAs nila. Parang ganun, siguro.
Yes, tapos nung first ko na-join, talagang winelcome pa ako ni Matt through VM. Sabi ko, may naman ng boss dito. Parang personally nyo pa i-welcome yung ano. Kasi mostly parang hindi mo sila marireach, ganyan. Hindi mo alam sino ko kontakin mo kasi they're just communicating with those na higher ups na din eh. Pero sila talagang winelcome nyo pa ako through VM na yun.
True. Yun din talaga, our bosses really, they are really good din talaga sila. So parang na-inherit na lang talaga natin ng mga VAs na yun na yung bosses natin, sobrang babait, tapos tayo pa kaya, parang wala tayong karapatan maging ganun. Ganyan. Okay. So my experience here was really smooth, ganun. But in regards with the hiring process, dito naman tayo with the hiring process. How was your application? How is it easy or was it challenging? Was it took you too long to get hired here? Ano yung experience mo?
So yung experience ko, wala kasi, parang nag-apply lang talaga ako sa OLJ without referral. So, when I hired sa OLJ, parang ilang days after lang nakakuha na agad ako ng invitation. Scheduled my interview, I got an interview na through Google Meet then with you, Miss Morial. And then I got an email na that I'm hired. And then, ano kasi nun eh, what do you call this? Holy Week. So, after I got hired, parang a week after pa ako nag-reach out again for the onboarding process. So, it's so smooth lang talaga. Parang after I got hired, I already got my contract and signed it. So, tapos after ng training na din, tuloy-tuloy na talaga.
I remember you during our interview kasi si Michaela guys, yun nga, kahit wala ka experience, tapos nung you did your best, ganun, pakita mo na talaga yung best mo, i-hire ka talaga. Basta nakikitaan ka na talaga ng parang, okay, nagpupursige ito. Ganyan. Okay. So, yun nga, matatanggap at matatanggap ka rin talaga. So here, yun, we can assure you guys that hindi siya madali yung hiring process kasi it will, exert the effort din. So yun nga, pero if kung nakita ng interviewer na you did your best, parang ganun, so okay, bakit hindi? Bakit hindi ka pwedeng
Yes.
tanggapin, di ba? Lahat naman tayo, kahit anong age pa yan, able to learn naman. Or kahit nga yung mga, for example, yung mga mas ahead na sa atin, hindi lahat alam nila yung mga tools. So every day we can learn every day, or learning is a lifelong process din talaga. Then every day meron
Yes.
tayong natututunan. Thankful ako and happy ako for you na yung process mo here is very smooth. Sana yun din yung
Yes.
experience with other applicants. Okay, so now, do you have any tips for applicants who want to pass the hiring process?
Okay, my tips for applicants is just be yourself and don't afraid to take the first step. Kasi kung parang papangunahin mo sarili mo kung ma-accept ba ako dito or hindi, parang ma-hold back ka lang nun eh. So, parang need mo rin silang i-trust para i-trust ka nila. Need mo rin i-trust yung self mo na kaya mo. Yun lang naman siguro. Kasi parang lahat yun nasa sayo na eh. Ikaw na bahala. You just need to be yourself talaga.
True, I agree. It really, everything guys, really starts with ourselves. Yun talaga. Yun talaga
Yes.
yung pinaka-first step. Una talaga yung sarili natin. Dapat, parang i-ready yung sarili natin. Kahit ano man. Okay, kung di ready yung sarili mo, yun. So, kailan ka pa magiging ready, di ba? Okay, so my last question to you would be, Michaela, I mean, not the last question, maybe last two, who is the perfect fit for this company?
Perfect fit for this company is someone who is disciplined and trustworthy. Kasi kung disiplinado ka, magagawa mo ng maayos yung task mo. And kung trustworthy ka, there's nothing na para pagdudahan ka or matanggal ka dito. Kasi parang nasa sayo na yung lahat eh. Kung gagawin mo yung job mo ng maayos, kung bibigyan mo sila ng worthy dun sa binigay din nila sa yung trust. So, you need to be disciplined talaga. Kasi parang lahat ng considerations binigay na sa'yo eh. Parang sobrang napaka-generous na ni RPJ. So, kung yung discipline na lang and pagiging trusted is hindi mo pa mabibigay sa kanila, what else pa, di ba? So, yun talaga.
Thank you so much for that one. Ha. It's really, parang nakakatulong din talaga na here in RPJ guys, bawal talaga, hindi naman sa ganun bawal, pero need talaga na disiplinado ka. Yun nga, honest ka. Kasi tayo yung parang, yun nga, ng invoices natin, nag-clock in, clock out. As in lahat na, walang time tracker guys, walang micromanaging. Gawin mo lang talaga yung best mo. Yun lang talaga yung hinihingi ng RPJ. Gawin mo lang yung best mo, ano mo lang yung task mo. Tapusin mo lang yung
Yeah.
task mo. Yun lang talaga. Okay, so to complete this, if you are, can you complete this sentence? One last thing na to. Can you complete this sentence? If you're looking for an opportunity that can change your life, this is the place because.
This is the place because they trust you. And they will give you things that you can't expect you will have. So, yun lang, para short.
If someone trusts us, ganun, parang mas mano yung natin, yung confidence natin, di ba? Mas mag-boost yung confidence natin if someone will trust us also. And RPG guys, I can assure you guys, and Michaela can vouch that also, that RPG really helped us with our skills or para makagain din ng mga new skills. So yun lang. So again, Michaela, thank you so much. I really enjoyed talking with you. Even though, yun nga, student ka pa lang, it's really inspiring na you're able to, to earn and to help your family then to help yourself.
Yes.
Ganon. Thank you so much again, Michaela, for taking this interview or this call. And that wraps up our today's conversation. So yun lang. Hope you enjoy more and more blessings to you and with your studies also. Ganon lang. Thank you so much for sharing your experience. It really means a lot. And I know a lot of people, especially students, who's watching right now will be able to relate with your experience also or will be able to relate with it. So, ayun. If you're watching this, guys, and you're curious about remote work or becoming a VA, I hope this is, this gave you a real and honest glimpse of what it's like behind the scenes working here at RPJ. And if you feel like this is something you want to explore too, don't hesitate to, to reach out or drop a comment in the comment section. So we'd really love to connect with you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to LSS. Like, share, subscribe, and comment to our videos. And soon, di ba, kayo na yung i-interviewin ko for the testimonial. Ayan. So again, Michaela, thank you so much and enjoy your day. Bye-bye!
Thank you,